Hello. This we will be doing some problems from lessons 18 and 19. And I think we're just going to start with lesson 19 because that seems to be some of the harder ones. So here we go. Okay, on 19A, number 7, you have 7 to the negative third times 7 to the negative eighth. When we're multiplying, we add the exponents. So 7 negative 3 minus 8 equals 7 to the negative 11th. On number 9, we have 9 to the negative 5th divided by 9 to the negative 2nd. Remember, when we have division, we're going to subtract these exponents. So 9 to the negative 5 minus a negative 2. So I write it like this with two negatives, minus a negative. When I see two of them, I turn them both into positive because two negatives equals a positive. So now I have 9 to the negative 5th plus 2. So a negative 5 and then a plus 2 means we're going to add. So we're going to be less negative now and have negative 3. So 9 to the negative third. Another example in 13, 8 to the 5th to the 4th. Remember, when an exponent is to another exponent, we kind of step down one level, and now we're going to multiply the exponents. So 5 times 4. Remember, it's like saying 8 to the 5th times 8 to the 5th times 8 to the 5th times 8 to the 5th. And we would add these. If we, quote, fast add, we're multiplying. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is the same thing as 5 times 4. So 8 to the 20th. All right, last one, we'll do number 15. So this one we have to combine all of our skills and simplify each expression and write it on one line. So whether it's negative or positive, we don't want anything in the denominator. So to get things out of the denominator, when we move them up to the numerator, we just change the sign. So this a is really a to the first power. So I'm going to write the top line, what we already have. All right, so this is all on the top line. Then when I move this up, I'm going to change this sign. So it's a positive a, it's a to the positive 1. If I move it up to the numerator, it's going to be an a to the negative 1. This is b to the negative third, but if I move it up to the numerator, it'll be b to the positive third. Now I want to combine all of my a's together. So I have a negative 1 and a negative 1. These are multiplied together, so I'm going to add the exponents. So I have a negative 1 and a negative 1 is a negative 2. Then all of my b's together, I have a 2, a negative 1, and a positive 3. So I'm going to add all of these together. 2 minus 1 is 1, plus 3 is 4. So b to the 4th. And that's it. I hope you guys are flying through this homework and not having any problems. Please send me questions if you have any, but I will not be on again next week during Thanksgiving. So you guys have Thanksgiving off, and I'll take Thanksgiving off. But if you do have any questions, go ahead and let me know. I'd be happy to answer them anytime. So I hope you have a good week and a good holiday, and I'll see you after Thanksgiving.